let me show you how to collect payments when appointments are booked with PayPal. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to charge for your meetings. So in this case, we're going to use PayPal as the payment gateway. So let's get started. This is my main workspace and we are going to get started with a brand new form. So let's go into create a form. And in this case, we're going to select form and then we're going to select start from scratch. Yes, you can use a template, which makes things super easy, but we're going to get started from scratch because it's going to be a super simple form for demo purposes. And this is going to take us to the form builder. Let's go ahead and drag in a few elements that we are going to need. So let's go ahead and ask for the full name. We're going to add the appointment system, and we're also going to jump into the payments tab here, and we're going to select PayPal for this purpose. Let's go ahead and drag PayPal here. Okay, let's get started with the appointment system. Let's go ahead and select this and go into properties like we are right now. First thing we need to do is set up the general purpose by setting the field label here. In this case, it's going to be a meeting, and we can name this whatever we want. And we are going to make this required. That way they cannot submit the form if they haven't selected a meeting here for the appointment date. Then you need to set up your ability options, which in this case, I'm going to leave them just like they are right now because this is just for demo purposes. Limits and the advanced settings. Okay, so in order for us to charge for the actual meeting, we're going to add the payment gateway like we did already. In this case, we've selected PayPal. So let's go ahead and select this element and we're going to add a payment connection. So the first thing to do is add a new connection. In this case, select PayPal. Here we go. Let's go ahead and select this, continue, and connect with a brand new PayPal account. You have two options. You can do test mode or live mode, depending on your use case. So if you're just testing out, go ahead and use test mode. Go through the process of authenticating and you'll be good to go to use your PayPal account like I've done already. So in this case, I'm going to use my test mode here, which is already connected to PayPal, and we should be good to go. Now, in this case, we're going to sell products. I'm going to set the currency. In this case, USD is fine, but you can select your currency. And then we're going to click on the product list. This is where we're going to add the meeting charge. So in this case, it's going to be, for example, meeting payment. And the price for this will be $100. And I can set a description here, for example, meeting for 60 minutes. That's going to be the description for this one, okay? I can go ahead and choose an image here. From my images, you selected, and we're good to go. So now that product has an image. And I'm going to make this required so they cannot submit the appointment if they haven't made the payment here. So let's go ahead and save this. And we got our meeting payment now ready to go. Let's click on show here. That way it will display on the form when we go to form preview or we share this right now. Let's go into preview form. Here we go. We're going to set our name, our last name, the meeting date. For example, on the 13th, I'm going to select 11 a.m. and I won't be able to continue unless I make the payment. So if I hit submit, that will take me to the PayPal payment gateway to book this meeting. So it's for $100. I can go through the process of making the payment and I'll be good to go. In this case, I won't go through that process, but this is the way that we can charge for meetings with PayPal. So it's super easy and practical. Now, what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your booking form, and start charging with PayPal right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.